This is a tiny bag of Doritos. But I made Giant Doritos to fit this bag right here. Mega size. I came home to eat my favorite chips, but this happened. I'm so hungry. Where are my Doritos? No, this is not it. No, this is not it. Not it. Where are my Doritos? Why do these chip bags always leave you wanting more? They only bring 10 chips. That's not enough to feed somebody. The biggest chip that Doritos ever made are about 12 inches, which really isn't that big. So I decided to make one twice as big. To make the world's largest chip, you cannot use a small pan. You're gonna need something big. You're gonna need some big equipment. Mega size. If you Google the largest chip ever made, it was made by scientists at Proctor and Gamble. It was 25 by 14 inches. I don't have scientists, but I can work big. There's nothing I can't do. It's on. For something this big, I'm gonna have to work outside. Now we're talking. We're gonna start with my harina. Time for 2 teaspoons of salt. 1, 2. Next, some vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons. Now I'm gonna gradually mix with some water. This is really sticky, you guys. Look at my hands. This is a mess. Shape my harina. I'm shaping it into a ball. The sides, the top. It looks like a brain. It's time for a saran wrap. The dough. You're gonna need to spread out a lot of flour. Look at the size of this dough. This is the biggest piece of dough I ever worked with. Let me get my bowl out of the way so you can get to business here. Gonna massage this.
It's blob rule on the streets of Springfield.
This is the biggest piece of dough I ever worked with. It's getting somewhere. Look, it looks like a baby. I had to run off this puppy. Any day now. This is one big piece of dough. We're gonna start with giant tortilla. I think I got it. Let's measure. The pan I'm using is 27 inches wide. Looking good. Okay, how are we gonna transfer this? This is taking our day, it's nighttime. Let's just get this in the pan. This seems like it's going to be really heavy, you guys. I don't know if I can pick this up, you guys. I can't. I cannot pick this up. I can't pick this up, guys. I can't pick it up. It's stuck. Okay, here we go. Yeah.
Little birdie, can't your friend do nothing right?
Disaster, guys. Fail. It rained the next day. My dad had to help me flip this monster. And disaster happened. Look at this. This is not how I picture this turning out. No. This doesn't look like a giant Dorito. But wait, I don't need to make just one giant Dorito. I got this, guys. By now, I'm a pro at this. I'm trying to put my geometry skills to the test. Okay, guys, time to bake these 2 at a time in the oven. Let's go. We're halfway through the bake, and it's time to start the Dorito seasoning. Time to start seasoning our chips. I'm gonna get it really good. Cheese, garlic, onion, salt, and tomato. Okay, so our chips are out of the oven, and this is a little Dorito. This is my Dorito, the big kind. Now I just need some cheese to dip it in. I think this will work. It's time to try it, guys. You ready? Here we go. I'm gonna try this. That's what I call a chip. Too bad that Doritos doesn't make big giant chips, but Cheeky Doritos does. If you like this video, you're gonna like this video.